Nash with JNGL, and still Unit 1, Lesson 2, and this is Part 2. I don't know, I wish I could get through these things faster without it cutting off, but this thing down here is no good. Screencast-O-Matic. I mean, I'm not going to upgrade, I just won't. That's pointless. So, I don't know, for almost every video, there will probably be 2 parts, because it's hard for me to sum this up in 15 minutes. But I even said on part 1 that it would probably cut off, and it did. I just felt it, that it might be 15 minutes. There's no way for me to tell. It doesn't say, down here or something. It doesn't say. Okay, anyways, what I was saying before it cut off was, is it possible to have skew planes? Answer is no. Why? That's because planes are two-dimensional, and they can't be skew if they're two-dimensional. Just think about it this way. If you have this one, and then you have one that's back here, that wouldn't work because they just have more than one lines on it, so that doesn't work. So here's the bottom line. Lines will intersect, be parallel, or skew, and planes will intersect or be parallel. That's it. Alright, practice questions 4 and 5. Alright, these ones might be a little easier, but some things might be hard. So, are MI and KG, those lines MI and KG skew, and number 5 is, are JK and LH skew? And if you see, I drew color over that to show you what it corresponds with. The yellow, the blue, the blue. So you can pause. Alright, I'll go over it now. So, first I'll just tell you the answers, and then I'll say why. So, first, the answers are no and yes. Now, the reason being is that for something to be skew, it has to be non-coplanar. They cannot be on the same plane. For something to be, that's what I'm trying to say. Skew has to be not coplanar. I can't talk. And if it isn't skew, then it will be coplanar. So it's a little bit backwards there. So skew means it's not coplanar. And so the reason why this one is no is MI, and KG. Well, they look like they might not be on the same plane, but I talked about this in the other video. Sometimes things that aren't there can be drawn. That's what makes it there. So there technically is a plane. If you were to cut this cube in half, there's 2 triangles there, and then they would be on the same plane. Okay, so that's why it's no, because if it's going to be skew, it can't be on the same plane. That's why it's no. And then JK and LH, are they skew? Yes, because they are not on the same plane, and they will never connect. And like I said, even though it looks like it connects, LH is further back. Now, if you just look at something in real life, let me just look up box. Here, just box. Images. Look at this box. It's in 3D. So this right here and this right here, that's what skew is. They don't touch. Alright, I hope that was good for you. Watch the next video, please.